Hello, my name is Andrew Young. I work at the CFAA as a math tutor, and I'd like to show you the reference triangles, 30, 45, and 60. Let's look at the 30 first. So we always draw it from the origin, this being the origin right here, and this is going to be our 30. And 30-degree reference triangle has 2 for the hypotenuse, square root of 3 for the adjacent leg, and 1 for its opposite leg. And if we're looking at the unit circle, it's going to look like this, and here's our 30. The x is our cosine and the y is our sine, and to get our cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse from our SOHCAHTOA, and that's going to be square root of 3 over 2, and our sine of 30 degrees is going to be opposite over our hypotenuse, so opposite hypotenuse 1 over 2. Alright, now let's look at the 45-degree reference triangle. And we got square root of 2, 1, 1. And from this, we can see that on the unit circle, it's going to look like this. Here's 45 degrees. And x is cosine, y is sine. And cosine, again, is our adjacent over hypotenuse. And what's adjacent? 1. Hypotenuse is square root of 2. Let's rationalize that by multiplying the top by square root of 2 and the bottom by square root of 2. And we get square root of 2 over 2. And for our sine, we run into the same issue with sine is also opposite over hypotenuse. And we run into this 1 over square root of 2. Let's rationalize that. Square root of 2 over square root of 2 equals square root of 2 over 2, giving us square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. So the sine and cosine of 45 degrees, square root of 2. Let's look at our third reference triangle. 60 degrees has the same hypotenuse as our 30-degree triangle, which is 2, but now we have to shorten the adjacent leg and extend our opposite leg. So on the unit circle, it's right here. This is our 60 degrees. We have an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. X is cosine, y is sine. And our x-coordinate, our cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And adjacent here is 1. Hypotenuse is 2, so it's 1 over 2. And for our sine, which is our y value, that is going to be equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And that is going to be equal to opposite is square root of 3, and hypotenuse is 2. So square root of 3 over 2. And to extend these into the other quadrants, you now know your reference triangle values, so you just need to change your signs. And I'll leave you to build the rest.